Struggling for massage techniques to use on the quads? In 2 minutes, I'm going to show you the best methods for a complete treatment. Keep up, this is going to be quick. Reinforced effleurage on the quadricep, one hand on top of the other. Apply your weight down through your arms. Then we're going to move to a criss-cross lifting technique, which is a form of petrissage, where we're lifting the tissue up. Now from here, moves nicely into a kneading technique. So using your thumbs and your fingers, work up the inside and the outside of the quad and right up the middle. But it also feels really good around that knee. So you can work around the kneecap in this one. We can move now to an Effleurage Du Poing technique. So we're using fist, we lock in like so. Use straight wrists, straight elbows as we work up the quadricep. And we can work more towards the side. So we're getting the 4 muscles of the quad. From here, we can move to a forearm effleurage. So apply your body weight through and up. And the pressure goes up, and then we keep contact on the way back down. From here, we can move nicely onto a lengthening technique. Now I'm going to move that leg in, drop this leg off the couch. My client is going to start in a straight extended position, and as I work my way up, they're going to lower their legs slowly so that we're lengthening at the same time. And go to shorten position and then lengthen with gravity and apply your body weight through. We can then move to a compression technique. So with the quads, we're going to press through and hold, squeeze that muscle tissue and release. Squeeze and release. And then we can finish with some more effleurage there to soothe after any deeper work. I hope you have found this 2-minute tutorial useful. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one.